Hiding and unhiding highlights on Instagram is a straightforward process. So, in order to do that, simply launch the Instagram app on your mobile device, then tap on your profile picture or username at the bottom right to go to the profile. So, once you are on your profile, highlights are located just below your bio section on your profile page. They appear as circular thumbnails with titles. Now, select the highlight and tap and hold on the highlight you want to delete or hide. Simply tap on the highlights again, or you can also tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your highlight photos. You can see the three dot option available in the bottom. Simply tap on the remove highlights and it will be removed. So if you want to recover it, then simply tap on the three dot option available in your highlights again. Then tap on the edit highlights option available there. So now in edit highlights, what you can do is you can just tap on the highlights if you don't want it. Tap on it and remove the checkbox. So what happens is if you do that and tap on the done option, then your highlights will be removed. But if you want to add, then simply tap on the stories and tap on the story, whichever you want to add on highlights. And again tap on the done. So this is how you can recover your stories on archive again. But if you want to remove it, then you can simply follow this process. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.